Welcome back to Amazing Car. Today we're diving into the 2025 Lexus IS, a sleek combination of luxury, performance, and innovative design. This updated model continues the legacy of Lexus sedans, offering a driving experience that's both thrilling and comfortable. Let's start with the interior, which is a masterclass in luxury. The cabin exudes sophistication with premium materials like leather and wood accents. Every detail is meticulously crafted to create a serene environment, with intuitive controls and an ultra-modern infotainment system, which includes a 10.3-inch touchscreen and a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. The seats are designed for comfort and support, with available heated and ventilated options for both the front and rear passengers. When it comes to performance, the 2025 IS is built for drivers who demand more. Under the hood, you'll find a choice of engines, including a powerful 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4, offering 241 horsepower, and a 3.5-liter V6 engine and the IS 350, producing 311 horsepower, for those craving even more excitement. The IS 500F Sport is equipped with a 5.0-liter V8 engine, delivering an exhilarating 472 horsepower, paired with a dynamic rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive system. The IS provides a perfect balance of precision and comfort on the road. Let's take a quick look at the history of the Lexus IS. Introduced in 1998 as the brand's first compact luxury sedan, it's evolved over the years to embody Lexus' commitment to performance and innovation. The 2025 model continues this legacy, enhancing the brand's reputation for reliability, safety, and cutting-edge technology. Finally, some standout features of the 2025 Lexus IS include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, a 360-degree camera system, and a premium Mark Levinson sound system. All these elements come together to make the 2025 IS a top choice for luxury car enthusiasts. If you enjoyed this in-depth review, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Amazing Car for more reviews like this.